welcome back. So today's video is a little different. I am in Madeira Beach right now. I'm just chilling on our balcony. Made a huge makeup mess over here. I just wanted to film a video for you guys to show you how I get ready in the morning for vacation, like my vacation makeup slash skincare routine, because I do it a little differently than I do back at home. So I wanted to get this video up also to kind of update you guys and let you guys know why I haven't been posting. I've been really crappy at posting, extra crappy at posting, and I'm sorry for that, but the internet here is god awful. I did pre-film a few videos for you guys, but the internet has not been allowing me to post them, so I'm really hoping that I can just maybe go to like Starbucks or something and upload this video for you guys just to kind of update you and everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I got this look right here. This is my go-to look for vacation. It's super easy. When I'm doing it, it takes me about like 6 minutes, which is like a really random number, but I'll just call it 6 minutes. So it's just very easy, very natural looking, and it's just my go-to. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to say the biggest part of my vacation makeup routine has to probably be my skincare. I think I just work off of having glowy, dewy skin, and I keep the makeup pretty minimal. So I'm going to start off by applying this serum to my face. This one is by Organic Serums, and what I love about this, it's the Repair Serum by Organic Serums, and what I love about this serum is that it is organic, it's completely natural. I can read the ingredients and I know absolutely everything in the ingredients, so that's a plus to me. It has a little brush applicator, so I just brush that all over my face. I go ahead and pat that in. I've been on vacation for about a week and a half now, and usually my skin peels like crazy because of the sun, but since I've been using this, I have not peeled once. It just really moisturizes my skin, so I've been using this stuff heavily every single day, and my skin has been holding up pretty good. I'm just gonna throw some chapstick on too. This is also by Organic Serums. And next up, the most important part of my skincare routine while I'm on vacation is sunscreen. I need me some sunscreen. I'm a very pale girl, so I'm going to apply the Lorent SPF 30 Sports Sunscreen all over my face. And then of course, when I go upstairs, I slather my whole body in sunscreen too. So now we have a very nice dewy glow to work with. I think that the sunscreen and the serum actually work really well together. It's been making my skin just glow every single day. So I'm just running with it, I'm just going with it. So let's move on to the makeup. So when it comes to makeup, I keep things very, very minimal, very simple. I like to just get out the door and have a good time. I don't want to spend too much time putting on makeup. So I'm just applying my Tarte Shape Tape underneath my eyes, just a little bit. I don't really like to apply too much, just want to conceal. I don't need to highlight or anything like that. And then when I blend it out, I just bring it all the way up onto my eyelids and everything. This shade is just about the same color as my skin tone, so it's not necessarily highlighting me, it's more so just concealing my under eyes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set that. I of course brought my Hyaluronic Hydra Powder by Terry, and I'm just going to set those bad boys so I don't crease up throughout the day. I even do this when I go down to the pool. I don't necessarily get my head underneath the water, so it's slightly waterproof. I mean, if I'm swimming underneath the water full force, it'll probably come off during the day, but I at least do this when I'm going to the beach. If I get a few splashes on my face, I never had a problem with it coming off. But yeah, I'm not the kind of person to just like dunk my full body underneath the water. If you guys want a waterproof makeup tutorial this summer, let me know, because I've got a lot of waterproof products back at home. Now on a daily basis, I do not apply eyeshadow. When I'm on vacation, I just don't worry about it. But today we're gonna go out. I think we're gonna do a little shopping, go out to eat. So I'm gonna do a little something, but nothing too crazy. Like literally nothing too crazy. So I'm using the Tarteist Pro palette. And I'm going to just take my finger, because I'm way too lazy on vacation to use a brush, and just apply this light shade called Classic right here, right on my lid. This just is a very nice nude shade. It just kind of makes your lids look a little brighter, kind of conceals everything. Alright, now I'm taking Innocent with a big fluffy blending brush. And I'm just gonna sweep that through my crease. Now I'm going to take Edgy right here, which is just this really pretty brown shade, and I'm just going to run that along my lash line, just kind of deepen up my lashes. Okay, let's put some mascara on. I'm using the Physicians Formula Eye Booster. This is my favorite mascara, but I can never remember the name of it. I don't know why. I use it every day though. If you're trying to do a waterproof look for vacation, my favorite mascara is Maybelline The Falsies in the waterproof edition. I think that that's a really good waterproof mascara because I went to a water park one day and it did not budge in the slightest. It was on my lids all day long. For blush, I've been just obsessed with the Becca Snapdragon blush. I just think that it's the prettiest kind of corally, glowy blush, so I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Look at my hair. My hair does not fare well in Florida. Like, I don't even have frizzy hair and my hair frizzes out here. It's so weird. I have naturally straight hair, but it's been like poofing right out. It's so weird. But anyways, I'm gonna use the Ofra highlighter. This is in the shade Rodeo Drive, and I'm just going to apply a generous amount right here. Maybe that's a little too much. That's okay. We like a glow. Get a little right here. Can't really see what I'm doing, honestly, because I'm using this as my mirror up here, so that's why I keep looking above, but you know, we're just taking a leap of faith. I hope it turns out. Never done my makeup outside before, so there's a first time for everything. All right, let's do some brows. I cannot forget the brows. The brows are like super important. If I do anything in the morning, it's concealer, brows, and maybe a lip. Normally I would do this next step before the blush and the highlighter, but I forgot to do it, so I'm just gonna apply this to the spots that I needed. This is the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. I'm just gonna get my chin a little bit and my forehead. I like to use a powder foundation rather than a liquid foundation because I just feel like it's more natural. I feel like when I wear a liquid, it's just kind of seeping into my pores when I'm sweating. So I feel like this just kind of absorbs some of the oil. So I always use a powder foundation when I'm on vacation. And last but not least, we're gonna do some lips. I'm using Fresh Cut by Colourpop. And this has been my all-time favorite lipstick for like months now. I use it every single day. It's just the prettiest kind of pinky nude shade. And just to kind of bring the entire look together, I'm gonna put some toner on my face. Rather than using a setting spray, I just like to use this because it feels a little bit more natural. So I do that all the time actually. I'll use a toner rather than a setting spray, and I think it gets the job done. So this one's by Yanka Paris. And I think it just brings a little moisture back to the skin. So that's it for this video. I'm sorry for my lack of posting. I have been trying to post, but my Wi-Fi is killing me. Like, it will not upload my videos, so my apologies on that, but I'm gonna try and post as much as I can. I did pre-film some videos so I can post while I'm on vacation, but you know, like I said, the Wi-Fi situation isn't the best, but I wanted to get this video up to update you guys on what's going on. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.